So where is Zinfandel originally from? Is it from the USA? Is it from Greece? Is it from Italy? Or is it from Croatia?
Okay, so again, not unanimous, but most people putting in Croatia as their answer.
Wow, we do really have some smarties. Croatia is the original location where Zinfandel is from. A lot of times during this time of the year, you see a number of articles that come out that attribute that Zinfandel is only an American grape. And sometimes you'll see it attributed to other places, but Croatia is the original home of Zinfandel. So another true or false question. White Zinfandel is made with a different grape than red Zinfandel.
All right, so here we have some consensus. Everyone putting false for this answer.
That is correct. False. It is made with the exact same grape. So, just fun. Just every so often I have people tell me crazy things. And so just wanted to make sure everybody knew white Zinfandel is made with the exact same grape as red Zinfandel. Okay, what is Zinfandel called in Italy? Since we've got so many Smarties, I decided to not make this an option, giving them different options.
Okay, creative spelling allowed here again.
Yes, of course.
Okay, so some great answers coming in. One I just want to point out because I know it's an autocorrect mistake, but it's just great. And it is Prima, one word, and TiVo spelt like the video recorder software. So Prima TiVo, which is thank you probably Siri or iPhone for that autocorrect, but you are correct. It is Primitivo.
It is Primitivo. That is amazing spelling. You gotta love autocorrect from time to time. But Zinfandel from Italy is called Primitivo.